Hi guys, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we teached how to delete the records from the database. One thing I forgot to teach, here the auto incremented number of patient here, this one, right? This number, patient number, we no need to enter here. Okay, it will be auto incremented, right? So we'll see how to set the auto incremented part in the code. Okay, let's go to the code here, go to the project. I am going to create the separate function, right? I am going to create the separate function above, right here. I am going to create the separate function. This function I am going to create as function, separate function get auto ID. You have to create the function auto ID, right? Now here we have to write which field we have to ID should be auto increment this field, right? This field, right? So then we have to write here is write $, number, right? Patient number dot empty, right? First we have to write like this. After that we have to write call the AJAX function. So we have to write AJAX, write AJAX function, right like this, right? Now you have to start and end, right? You have to write the structure like this. It is easy to understand, right? So here we have to write the type. First one should type. You have to write here is get. This one should be get. Type should be get, comma, URL. You have to write here is URL auto ID dot php, comma. Now here we have to write another thing is a data type. You have to write JSON, right? Now here we have to write after that success function, AJAX success function. You have to write success function. You have to write data, right? That's the thing you have to write. Okay. Now here we have to now what I am going to do is here this method I am going to Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, right? When the when you load the page, the auto number should be generated. Okay, it's automatically generated. Okay. So what I am going to do is here it goes to the page auto ID dot php page, right? Here you have to send this page to get the ID, and we have to get the ID and put into this field, which this field we have to put. So let's first we have to create this page, right? So let's go to the here this PHP, select the PHP folder, right click, new. I'm going to add another thing is we have to write I'm going to add another stuff. Here we have to go and add another stuff. Right click, new file. Here we have to write auto ID dot php, right? Auto ID dot php, right? This page, right? Auto ID is the same thing, right? Click OK, right? Now your page has been created successfully here. Now here what I am going to do is here I am going to write here is first we have to go to the add patient.php page. Here we have to Control C to copy all the things, and you have to paste into this page auto id.php page, right? Paste here, right? Now here the connection all the same. Now here we have to change, the only thing is here we have to change, the only thing is here only we have to change, right? Here we have to remove the stuff, right? This connection all the same, right? We have to remove the stuff. Now here we have to write the code, right? Now here we have to write this. First I have to write the query. So we have to write the query. Here we have to write the query. You have to write here is select. You have to write max. We have to write use max keyword. Write max keyword. Select max. You have to write here is cost cast, you have to write here patient number, you have to auto increment it. So patient number, right? So patient number, I am going to auto increment this field, patient number, you have to write this one, this field. I am going to set the auto increment of this field, right? Now here what I am going to for patient number as decimal, I am going to say this one I am going to give as decimal, decimal, field decimal, right? So right here I have to close the things. After that ID from patient table, right? After that what I am going to do is here, you have to write here is if, get the variable result, if result equal, you have to write MySQL query, you have to write connection comma query, right? Now here we have to write, after that we have to write here is row equal MySQL fetch associate, this one, right? Here we have to write the result, right? After that what I am going to do is here we have to write create the variable count equal row, you have to write here is ID, right? You have to write the ID here, right? You have to write the ID here, right? Here we have to, what's the error here, row, right here, write like this, the problem is here, this bracket is a problem, right? Okay. After that what I am going to do is here, you have to write here, this one should be Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Here we have to write count, here you have to write count plus 1, you have to count the ID, right, plus 1, right? That's the thing we have to do. After that we have to write the another stuff is, you have to write another variable, you have to create port number equal str, you have to write a pad, here we have to write count comma 4 comma, you have to write here 0, here you have to write comma, you have to write here is str pad left, this one you have to choose, this one pad left, right? You have to write like this, okay? Then you have to write the this ID, we have to set it to this page, index page .php, so we have to write the JSON encode, this code we have to change, Control C copy, Control V to paste here, right? This is how we have to send the code into that page, relevant page, right? This is simple code we have to use to reload the things, right? Patient number, which table, patient table, ID mean we have to this one, we have to cast this patient number as a decimal, this ID, right? This ID we have to put into this field, right? This ID we have to count, right? So now let's go here and check. Go here, we have to the success function, we have to get the ID and put it to the relevant field. So we have to write here is, right, p number dot well data, right? Okay, we are putting to here, get the ID and put it to this field, right? Okay, we are sending the data here, this encode, you're receiving like here, and you'll get the data and put into this text box, right? Now let's check whether it's working fine or not, right? Now let's save all, go here, we have to, this is the patient number, reload it. Now here what's the problem, let's console, the problem is here, we have to set it to its reside on the PHP auto ID, right? That's the field, right? If you have get any error, you have to check, right click and right click impact, you can go to the console and check the error, right? It easy to find the error, right? Now let's reload the one. Now here it's working fine. Okay, now this time this one will be 2, right? Already we added the record. Now I am going to add another record is Kumar, phone number something like that, India, right? Click add button, patient added, right? Now here if you refresh it, 3, right? Now here what I am going to do is here this auto ID, Control C to copy, we have to paste after the record. Here we have to increment the this one ID, right? Here we have to call here we have to call it here. Here is refresh it. Okay, auto ID we have to refresh it here, right? Okay. Okay. Now here we have to check, right? Now I am going to add the record as a Nimal, phone number, address India, click add button, patient added. You can see here it will be working successfully. If you edit the record, all things working successfully, right? All things working successfully. If when you go to the database, you can see it's stored like this 0 1 0 2 like this. Okay, because all the things are number, that's why it's look like this. Okay, here these all things are 0 0, so that you have to this cut off all the zeros and you have to only insert on the database only like this, right? Okay, it's this how you have to auto increment number you have used like this in PHP, right? I hope you guys you understood the things well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.